Hey everybody, Crappie Kirby. It is May 15th, 16th, something like that. Kind of a sad day, as I think the spawn may be over at Hillsdale. We've had some rain, we've had some crazy weather, and the females that we've caught have all been spawned out, so the fin spin bite might be over, which means we got to go back deep to the flats and to Paul's Point and throw some jigs down to about 18 feet. Livescope says there's some down there. I'm gonna drop down there and see. Hopefully it's not over, but it truly might be. So got long pole out, getting out in front so we don't spook these crappie. We're dropping down to solid 16 feet here. See if we can't get a bite. Okay, we're back. A little color change there. Went to the crappie magnet, chartreuse and orange and chartreuse and white. Let's see if that'll trigger a bite. Going down about 14 feet. Oh, there it is. That was the ticket. And look at that. A little white bass down there. Okay. Well, that's not what we're after. Hopefully, that's not what they are. But there's a lot of them down there. Maybe the crappie are still out there. Boy, that would be nice. They didn't want to have anything to do with them dark colors, so we'll try the chartreuse and whites. See if that does it. Oh, here comes one. There he is. Another white bass. Oh no! Nice crappie. And unfortunately, it is a spawned out female. Spawned out female. Dang it. Okay, well, they definitely want the lighter colors. And that fish came from the depths to hit that. I mean, it was like lights out. I saw it on the Livescope, just pummeled it. I don't know what they are, white bass or crappie, but we will find out right now. Crappie. There he is. Little crappie. Chartreuse and white. Another spawned out female. She's too little. Man, it doesn't get any brighter than that. Let's see if that will send them into a tizzy. There he is. Nice one. Spawned out females. Dang it. Alright, so we got the long pole going. We see the fish schooled up about 45 feet in front of us, so we're just going to cast out to them and then just drag this back along the bottom. See if we can't get a thump. Ooh, right now is a hot spot. Come on, thump it, crappie. going through him. There he is. Got him. Thumped it good. Now to get down to that bottom, I used a bigger head, bigger crappie magnet head. Nice little 10-incher. Gotta pick up the pattern. There he is. One's on the fall. Ooh, nice crappie. Spawned out female, Hillsdale. What day is today? May what? May 15th, Friday, May 15th. I'm excited because tomorrow we're going to Milford and the spawn is still on. That means a fin spin bite. Woo. We're gonna have some fun with that. That is for sure. Ooh, that's a big one there. 12.5-inch Hillsdale crappie. Oh, there comes one racing up to it. I don't know if he's gonna make the team. Game warden would have us on that one. Boop. But boy, this is fun. This is fun. This is fun. There he is. Oh man, this crappie has seen better days. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'll let him loose. That's one. There he is. Saw the line jump. Didn't feel him, felt the line jump. Oh. I don't know if he's 10 inches. All right, here we go. I am right in Crappie Town right now. Crappie Town, USA. There he is. Ooh, nice one. Huh? I know it. That female's 12 inches. Alright, we only need one more. Although, I don't know if that one's 10 inches. Oh yeah, he is. Just enough to get a nugget off of him. Oh, this is fun. I'm still getting my thump on. Joe? I said I'm still getting my thump on. No, I'm throwing just a swim body. And they're hitting it on the fall. Once I get to the bottom, if they don't hit it on the fall, I just reel up and let it drift. There he is. My line jumped. Feels like a good one. Booyakasha! Booyakasha! I'm not catching them two at a time, but I'm catching them. Alright guys, going to give you guys a breakdown of what we're using. The Bucks Ultimate Super Stiff by B&M in the 10-foot model. It's a beautiful blue rod, Portuguese cork handle. Got a 2500 spinning reel on there. some spider wire braid in Visicast, and then the goods on the end, slab magnet body, chartreuse white, and the Dartmouth head in 1/4 ounce, because we want to get it down, you know, in these kind of wavy conditions with a lot of boats going around. We don't want to waste any time getting that jig into the strike zone. And basically we're just pitching out there. We need one more crappie for our limit. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, all that jazz. See if we can't catch one. There he is. And that's gonna do it for us. Woohoo! Proof is in the pudding, boys and girls. Crappie magnets, B&M poles, darn good combination. Okay guys, we had a very successful day, but it is still a sad day as it looks as if the spawn is coming to an end. Now, we didn't catch any males. They still may be shallow up there protecting those nests, but the females that we caught today, which was, I think every one of them was a female, and only 2 of them had eggs in them still. Looks like the spawn is done. But we had a lot of fun using that long 10-foot pole, using the Livescope, targeting those fish and presenting those slab magnet bodies in front of them, and just drifting it real shallow above the bottom. And boy, they would thump it. So they were starving, they were hungry, they've finished their business, they've worked up quite an appetite, and we had a lot of success, but still a sad day, because everybody loves to feel that thump when you're running a spinner through there. Those fin spins did a phenomenal job this year, and it may be over, except tomorrow we're going to Milford, where I hear the spawn is still on. It's up north, and we're gonna get one more day of throwing fin spins in before the spawn is over 2020. So thanks for watching. Support my sponsors, Garmin, B&M poles, Crappie magnets, Bass Pro Shop, Tracker Boats. Visit their websites. YOLO Tech, keep the juice going in those cameras so you know we're not lying, and we appreciate it. Leave questions, leave comments, subscribe if you would. I appreciate that. Trying to make some money at YouTube and not having much success. We're having a lot of fun catching fish, so hope you enjoy the channel. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. God bless.